Hi everyone. Google has come out with a new screen recording app called Screencast. It's available for students and staff. It allows you to record your screen to create lessons and demos using your Chrome operating system with your Chromebook. It allows you to record yourself and your screen. It also provides a transcript of your recording. You can use the transcripts to search, trim, and translate screencasts into several languages. You can also use the marker app to draw and make notes while you are recording. You can share what you have recorded with other people who also have a Chromebook and have the Screencast app. They have to use the Screencast app to see your recording. So all this takes place in the Screencast app. Your Chromebook has to have version 103 or later. We'll make sure that we have the right version of Chrome and we'll update if we need to. Go to the bottom right of your screen and select where the clock is. Then you can go to Settings. When you're in Settings, on the bottom left, you select About Chrome OS. It'll show you the current version of Chrome that you have. You can select Check for Updates, and then it will check, and our version is up to date. Version 103, which is the version you need for Screencast. To get Screencast, you hit the Launch button on the bottom left to find apps. So we hit Screencast. Now we're opening it, and you can do the quick tour if you like. So here's what it looks like when you first get into it. So it shows you 4 overview tutorials that you can select. To do a screencast, you select New Screencast. So even though I'm using Screencastify, I'm seeing what's happening on Screencast because I'm recording it with Screencastify. You also won't hear any sound coming out of the Screencast recordings because of the way I recorded them, but there is sound and voice coming out of those recordings. Okay, so notice it says click anywhere to record full screen, and then we have some options down here. So we're doing a screen recording. This is the setting for full screen, and if we want a partial screen, we can choose this button right here. And this button records a window instead of the whole screen. Let's take a look at settings. So we select settings. So you can choose your camera. The back camera does a great picture of the ceiling. It's actually on the left side of the keyboard, so you have to flip the Chromebook in order to use the back camera. You can choose the front camera, which is what I'm on now, and you can turn the camera off. Audio input is the microphone, so that's going to stay the same. It's the microphone that comes with the Chromebook. So now we can also choose a partial screen recording. So we select this icon, and then we drag on the screen to select the area we want to record. We click record, it counts down. So now we're recording. And notice that the tools appeared. So here's the marker tool, and there is the recording button for Screencast. Let's try the marker. So we click on it, so it can draw on the screen as we're recording. And I just stopped my recording, and now it's processing. And as you can see there, it processed. So now I'm going to do a full screen recording. So I select New Screencast, click on the screen counts down. So here's the writing tool again. Now I'm going to switch so that I can see what it looks like with the stylus that comes with the Samsung Chromebook Tablet Plus. So it's a little bit easier to write text with the stylus. I want to change color. I long press on the marker button. So now I change to blue. So whenever I hit the marker tool again, it'll clear whatever I've written with the marker. Now I hit the red target to the right of the marker to stop the recording. And now the recording is processing, and that's going to take a while, so let's speed that up. So some of the things I can do with my recordings while they're in Screencast, I click the 3 dots, I can rename my screencast so it makes more sense. I can share it, so I select share with others, so anyone with the link can access it, and then I can copy the link. I can delete, but I don't want to do that. Look, that other one is still processing. Okay, so let's take a look at editing a video with the transcript and then sharing it with someone. We select our video, click on it, So there's our processed video. The right is the transcripts. So we can click on the 3 dots and then skip that section so whoever we share it with does not see that section of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and do some more edits, skipping the parts that don't really have a transcript, so there's no dead air. So I skipped a bunch of sections to make my video shorter and more to the point. Another thing you can do with the transcript is edit the text. You just select the edit, then you go into your transcript text box and change it and save it. I'm going to go ahead and do some more edits. You can also change the name of your video here. So just select the text and then rename it however you want to. Now to share it, I select the share button, share with others, instead of keeping it private, and then I copy the link. Just paste the link and send. Let's take a look from the perspective of the person who received the link to check out our screencast. So they go ahead and open their email and get the link and select it. Again, they get the same introduction screen. So there's the video that was shared with them, and they can see the transcript on the right. So now they play it. Notice that it's shorter, that there's no gaps. You can navigate your way through a video by selecting text, and the video will jump to wherever you select the text. And then you can translate by selecting the language drop-down menu, and then just choose whatever language you would like to see the transcript in. The translation feature is only available for the person you're sharing the video with. You do not see the translation option when you're editing your original video. You can also search the transcript for specific terms, so if there's something important you need to find in a video, you can look for it. So that's it. That's how you create, edit, share, and view videos created through Screencast, available through Chrome OS. Thanks and have a great day.